Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Well, good afternoon, South Florida. I warned you the clouds were going to build and we were going to see that chance of scattered storms. That's exactly what's going on right now. You can see on the satellite the cloud cover moving onshore with a southeast wind flow, mainly favoring inland Broward and Miami-Dade. We still got plenty of sunshine here as we look towards the west. You can see all the clouds here over North Bay Village, and to the east of us, though, we are still seeing mostly sunny skies. Now, the clouds will continue to build, and with our wind flow moving in from the south to the north, you can see we have a line of showers. We'll start all the way up in Broward. We've got showers right over Coral Springs, the 869, Tamarack, seeing some moderate to heavy rain. Stretching all the way south in towards Plantation, 595, dealing with some moderate to heavy rain in towards Davie. We're also seeing some scattered showers off of 75 as you're making your way just west of Weston. Pembroke Pines seeing some light to moderate rain as well. More rain falling just west of Chrome Avenue. More showers falling in western Miami-Dade, mainly Kendall Lakes. We are seeing some scattered showers over Miccosukee. The rain continues to fall right by Homestead as well as Florida City. And then even some scattered showers we're seeing right now down by the Middle Keys. They saw some heavy rain about an hour ago, mainly right over Lower Matacumbe Key, Fiesta Key, Long Key, all dealt with the showers moving in from our southerly wind flow. So we're going to continue to keep that chance of showers in the forecast. Once we go into the afternoon, some of them could get pretty strong as the storms are moving in off the ocean and we have plenty of unsettled weather around us. Temperatures are warming up, and that's also going to fuel for those storms as well. 89 degrees in Pompano Beach as well as Fort Lauderdale. We have 87 in Pembroke Pines. It is windy as well, with the wind flow moving in from the south anywhere between 10 and 13 miles per hour. 89 in Miami, 88 in Homestead, 91 in Miccosukee, and down by the Keys, 88 degrees in Key West, 80 in Marathon. That's where we've been seeing a lot of the rain this morning and starting off into the early afternoon. Feels like temperatures are in the upper 90s in Fort Lauderdale and Miami, also down by the Keys, once you factor in the relative humidity to the air temperature. So it is definitely a hot summer day for us here in South Florida. We've been seeing all that moisture because we are seeing an area of disturbed weather in the western Atlantic. Our wind flow is feeding into that weather, and that's what's bringing us the scattered showers and thunderstorms. Plenty of available moisture in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, also enhancing our rain chances today. So as our wind flow feeds into that moisture to the north, we will see a better chance of showers and thunderstorms. Now, that moisture to the north, that weather will stay away from us. We're just seeing our wind flow tapping into some tropical moisture over the Florida Straits. So we'll continue to keep that chance of storms in the forecast today and leading into the first half of the weekend. Talking tropics, Tropical Depression 8, winds sustained at 35 miles per hour. It's moving to the west at 10 miles per hour. They had issues this morning trying to find that center of circulation. You can see, though, the outer bands of this system bringing some heavy rain for portions of Honduras, also Nicaragua. It is about 190 miles east of the island Raton in Honduras. Now, it is expected to push towards the west. As it does so, you can see the center is expected to stay offshore. As it does so, that will give it time to strengthen. In the last advisory, the National Hurricane Center stated it does look pretty impressive, and it will get that opportunity to strengthen until about Saturday night. And then we will mainly be concerned about the rain that's going to fall for Central America. They're going to be dealing with anywhere between 3 to 5 to possibly 8 inches of rain, which could cause some mudslides as well as some flash floods for them. Otherwise, there are watches and warnings in effect. A tropical storm watch from the border of Nicaragua and towards Honduras, Guatemala, up towards Yucatan, and then Bay Islands has a tropical storm warning. Now, we are watching 2 other areas. They are in the Atlantic, though. One area is 900 miles east of the Lesser Antilles, and it is possible to strengthen in the next 48 hours. We are going to see it move towards the west. National Hurricane Center stating that there's a possibility of this strengthening to a tropical storm over the weekend, and you can see it's making a beeline for the Lesser Antilles and into Puerto Rico. Another area we're watching, this is just off the coast of Africa between the Cape Verde Islands, has a 50% chance of development. Slow development is expected. So watching both of these areas closely, you can see we're going to keep our eyes focused on area number 1. As I mentioned, it is expected to strengthen. This is our in-house model showing that by Tuesday of next week, this could be a very large storm over Hispaniola, so it's something we will need to watch. Back home here, there are no advisories if you're doing any boating or headed to the beach. The bay will be at a light chop. For you in Lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs today in the lower 90s. We'll see scattered storms possible. Lows in the mid to upper 70s. We'll keep that chance of storms in the forecast Saturday. Rain chances go down by Sunday and early next week. Have a great weekend.